Meaning of DVD-RW.
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 DVD-RW. DVD-RW stands for Digital Versatile Disc Rewritable. It is a type of optical disc used for storing and sharing digital media such as videos, music, and photos. Unlike DVD-R discs, which can only be written to once, DVD-RW discs can be erased and rewritten multiple times, making them more versatile and cost-effective. This means that users can create, edit, and delete content on a single disc, saving space and reducing waste. Overall, DVD-RW provides a convenient and flexible way to manage and exchange digital data.